Let's start today's job circular about Citibank Bangladesh Limited. The Citibank Limited card ambassador or officer, senior officer, customer service cards. This post is available for this job circular. Vacancy is not specific. Job context: the individual is primarily responsible to serve card customers and contribute to revenue generation for the bank. Job responsibilities: the primary job role of card ambassador is to provide debit card and credit card related service to the customers, ensure communication, meet collaborate business target. Employment status: full-time, workplace, work at office. Educational requirements: 4 years of graduation or master's degree from any reputed university. Experience requirement: at least 2 years. Freshers are also encouraged to apply, but I don't know why the at least 2 years experience requirement is mentioned here, whether freshers are also encouraged to apply. So you can apply if you are a fresher. Additional requirements: both males and females are allowed to apply. Minimum 2 years of customer service experience for the senior officer position. Strong communication skill, negotiation skill, quick decision making eligibility, and above all, high level of integrity. Job location: Dhaka. Job source: bdjobs.com or online job posting. So you can apply before 14th April 2021 from bdjobs.com. So go to bdjobs.com for apply and search for the Citibank Limited, then you can apply for this job. Thanks for watching today's job circular and wait for the next circular coming soon. See you soon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.